Good morning students. Today we will start new chapter equation of straight line, where the first topic is inclination of straight line. The angle which a straight line makes with the positive x-axis is called inclination or angle of inclination of the line. See that here in this figure a line makes an angle theta with the positive x-axis. Here the line makes an angle theta with the positive axis. This angle theta is called inclination of the line. Second thing is slope. If we take tangent of this angle, which makes from positive x-axis, then it is called slope of line. Means theta का अगर हम tangent ले लें तो वो slope हो जाता है, m is equal to tan theta. Now comes on the slope form. If 2 points are given on a line, see that here the 2 points are given, x1 y1 and x2 y2, which are the coordinates of p and q. Suppose that this line makes an angle theta with the positive x-axis. Then see that this is x1, means this distance is x1. This is x2, that means this distance is x2. And x2 minus x1, if we calculate x2 minus x1, then we get x2 minus pm is x2 minus x1. This height is y1 and this height is y2. Therefore, this is y2 minus y1. Now, see that here, this is angle theta, therefore this is angle theta, same side angle, corresponding angle. That means tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, yani qm upon pm. Here the qm is y2 minus y1 and pm is x2 minus x1. That means slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. यानी अगर दो पॉइंट आपको दिए हैं, स्लोप निकालना है तो y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन कर देंगे, x2 माइनस x1 कर देंगे, स्लोप निकल जाएगा. ओके. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन. मीन्स इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म. First is equation of straight line parallel to x-axis. See in this figure, this is x-axis and this line is parallel to x-axis. Suppose that this is above at height b. Means here at this line ordinates are same. If this distance is b, then ordinates are always b. Means ordinate, this is abscissa ka and this is ordinate. That means y is equal to constant, which is equal to b. That means we can write y minus b is equal to 0, which is the equation of straight line parallel to x-axis. Similarly, if we write a line equation parallel to y-axis, this is y-axis and this line is parallel to y-axis. Suppose that it is a distance at a. That means at this line, this a is same everywhere. Means abscissa is same at this line, which is parallel to y-axis. Here the abscissa is x, that means abscissa is equal to a. From here we can write x minus a equal to 0. This is the equation of straight line parallel to y-axis. Now slope intercept form of straight line. See in this figure. Suppose that a line AB passes through point C, which is cut and intercept from y-axis at C. This line is also make an angle theta. In this figure, we see that if coordinate of P is xy, then this is x and this is y. Whole distance, this is y. Because intercept is C, that means NM is C. To y minus C is equal to Pn. Means Pn is equal to y minus C. Here this is Bn is equal to x. This is perpendicular and this is base. That means tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base Pn upon Bn, means y minus c upon x. Means slope is equal to y minus c upon x. From here we find equation y is equal to mx plus c. This is a slope form of an equation. If this line passes through center, if this line passes through origin, then c becomes 0. There is no intercept from the y-axis if line passes through origin. That means c is equal to 0. If we put c is equal to 0, then we get equation y is equal to mx, which is a line of equation which passes through origin. Is it clear? If we have to write an equation passes through a given point x1 y1, then equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And if we have to write equation which is passes through two given points, x1 y1 and x2 y2, then equation is y minus y1 same as x minus x1 same as, but slope will be changed. Before we read about slope which is passes through two given points, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus 1, then we put a value of m y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, the full equation which is passes through two given point, equation of line passes through two given point is equal to y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and in bracket x minus x1, where this is slope. Okay. Now we will start exercise 12.1. In first question, theta is given, we have to find slope. We know that slope is equal to tan theta. Theta is 45, means tan 45, and the value of tan 45 is 1. Therefore, slope yani gradient is 1. In second, gradient is given, we have to find inclination, means theta, m is equal to 1. We know that m is equal to tan theta, that means tan theta is equal to 1. And also we know that tan theta 1 is equal to tan 45. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan 45, means theta is equal to 45. Therefore, inclination is 45. In third question, we have to find equation of straight line parallel to x-axis, where the ordinate is given. We know that parallel to x-axis, equation of parallel to x-axis is equal to y is equal to ordinate. That here the word ordinate is above than 2. That means y is, we take ordinate as plus 2. If ordinate is below than 3, then we take minus 3. Ordinate is minus 3. From here y is equal to plus 2. That means y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation of straight line parallel to x-axis. And if y is equal to minus 3, then y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of line parallel to x-axis. Now comes in question number 5. A point is given. We have to write a straight line parallel to y-axis. Parallel axis, equation of line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to abscissa. Here the abscissa is minus 3. In this equation, we have to transport minus 3 in left side. Therefore, we get x plus 3 is equal to 0, which is the equation of straight line parallel to y-axis. Question number 3 in third part. Gradient is given, intercept is given. We have to write an equation intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Here the value of gradient yani m is equal to root 3 and value of c yani intercept is equal to minus 4 by 3. First we calculate this. पहले क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल कर लेंगे एंड देन ट्रांसपोज 3 इन लेफ्ट साइड 3y. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, सबको सेपरेट करेंगे यानी 0 एक तरफ, बाकी वेरिएबल्स कांस्टेंट एक तरफ. मीन्स 3 रूट 3x, 3y को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे राइट साइड में, माइनस 3y माइनस 4. दैट मीन्स द गिवन इक्वेशन इज, that means equation is root 3x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Now see in question number 8, equation is given. First we convert this equation into slope form. This is a slope and we know that slope form is y is equal to mx plus c. Here the coefficient of x is 1, therefore slope is equal to 1. Here the coefficient and the constant is minus 753, which is the y intercept. Means y intercept is equal to minus 7 by 3. Slope is equal to 1. Slope is 1 and therefore tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree because the value of tan 45 is 1. Therefore inclination theta is equal to 45 degree. See in question number 9, a figure is given. Equation of this line is y is equal to x plus c. Suppose that inclination of this line is theta 1. Equation of this line is y is equal to root 3 minus x, root 3x minus 1. Suppose that inclination of this line from the positive x-axis is theta 2. Theta is given. We have to find theta. From this figure, we see that this is exterior angle, and we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. That means theta is equal to theta 1 plus theta. We have to find theta. Therefore, theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. First, we calculate theta 1 for this equation. In this equation, if we compare this equation by mx, y is equal to mx plus c, then m is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of x. If slope is 1, therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta 1 is equal to 45 degree. For this equation, slope is equal to root 3, which is equal to tan theta 2 is equal to tan 60 degree, means theta 2 is equal to 60 degree. We put these values in this equation, we get 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 degree. That means theta is equal to 15 degree.